To this roundabout is closer to fire station in Croydon. They can ask you follow the sign to Addington. I'll keep it slow and you can see the sign is on the left hand side. Addington is straight. So when you come to this roundabout, follow the sign to Addington, stay in middle lane here. Right, left lane is going to Bromley, so we're going to stay in this lane. Do your routine. And don't go too far to right, stay here. And from here you do your routine and do the mirror signal and stay in the left lane. From here it's going to turn up to 2 lane again because we're coming to other roundabout. So keep it far left and check roundabout again, and you continue driving straight from here. If they ask you follow the sign to Sutton, you cannot see the sign from here. Right, once you get here, you can see the sign to Sutton is on the right, so do change your lane to right lane. Right, leave the signal on. Keep it to right lane till you pass the second exit, then start drifting to left. From here, keep a bit to the start drifting left, and from here you do routine and signal left. And now from here there's a 2 lane, right? If the sat nav say bay left, so keep a left lane. If the sat nav say bay right, so keep it to right lane. Same examiner, if they ask you stay right, so go to right lane. If they keep a left, they keep a left lane. All right, when you're coming from Croydon, so you turn left from here. And don't go too far to left because it's a car park lane, so stay here. Once you get here, then they will ask you follow the sign to Mitcham. And Mitcham is 3rd exit on your right, so the sign is displayed on the left hand side. Stay in right lane, do your routine. Whenever you come here, don't go too much in, just stay here. After this bend, start drifting out. Right, once you get here, then you do mirror signal left. As you pass the second exit, so start drifting out so you can come out from your lane. The speed limit is 40.